Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slide in PowerPoint. Plus you can free download the slide, and the best thing is that you can also move the circles backwards as well. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is open up a blank slide, go to format background. You're going to change the background fill to black and close the format background panel. Insert a circle that is covers the slide, half of it, and then put it into the middle and the center of your slide. We're going to remove its outline and then we're going to duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D about 4 to 5 times. So here you go. Select each one of them and change the color. So the color palette I am using is a shades color palette of blue and purple color. So you can just use these, and the color palette I have taken it from mycolorspace.com. And what you're going to do is just move the circle to the right side. And what we're going to do next is insert a text box in which we're going to write our title and other stuff of this circle. So here goes the contents. Let's just rotate it and move it right here into the middle and put it onto the first circle. Here you go. Next, we're going to select them all and move them to the left side slightly. The next thing we're going to do is just insert another text box in which we're going to write our other text and give the title to all of these circles. So let's do it quickly. Now select all of them and move them slightly to the left side. But the text has to be inside the slide and not outside. Next, what we're going to do is just go back to our slide, select all of these things, and the next thing we're going to do is go to format and go to shape effects and give them the right side shadow, duplicate our slide, and we're going to go to first slide, select everything, and we're going to align it to the left side, and then while holding shift move it out of the slide. Select both templates, give it a transitions tab, and give them morph transition. So this is the final result, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Plus you can download this free template from the link in the description below, and it's completely free to use.